And good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Large Person Wonders. Today, Tommy and I are here down at the Air and Space Museum out in Lowry, Denver, Colorado. So this ought to be quite the fun experience. And here's the view of the MiG-23 from the other side. Well, this is quite different. So as everybody can see, this is what the cockpit of the MiG-23 looks like. God help any human being trying to, how should we say, very carefully squeeze themselves down into that thing. Notice the very, very, very ancient spin dials and steam dials. I think everybody can see what the top view of one of these things looks like. Alright, everybody, can you imagine flying on that thing? Yeesh. That's a little unnerving. And here's what an O2 Bird Dog spotting aircraft looks like from Vietnam Air. This was made to fame in the Danny Glover movie. And here we're looking at an all-time classic, the F-4 Phantom, decked out in its Vietnam Air stuff. And we can also see the other side of the Corsair over here. And here we are looking at a Vought A7 Corsair. The Colorado Air National Guard used to fly these, and they flew these things over Vietnam and into the early 80s. This is quite good shape. Doors.
Yeah, and then they had Bennett's Barbecue.
Wow. And here we are looking at another.
Or maybe it's a company.
From Vietnam. As always in movies, make these things look like they're larger than life. Here we're looking at a UH1 Huey. Everybody can see these things aren't the largest things in the world. Again, I don't know how you're supposed to cram yourself in these seats that are 16 inches wide. Can't have any hips. Those seats are less than coach class as far as width goes.